triangle QST is inscribed in the rectangle PQRS. Is triangle QST isosceles? Statement 1 tells us that Q is the midpoint of PR. So whatever this is, we know that these two lengths are the same. What this means then is that this angle is a 90-degree angle. This angle is a 90-degree angle because it's a rectangle. If these two angles are the same, then let's just call this angle A and angle B. We know that angle A and angle B are the same. If they share a 90-degree angle and they share this angle, then they also share, let's call this D and E. Angle D and E are also the same. So A equals B, D equals E. Now the triangles are they're congruent triangles. They will have the same side lengths because it's a rectangle. They have the same base. Therefore, they have this as the same length as well. And therefore, angle QST is isosceles. This is sufficient to tell us yes. So it's not B on its own, and neither is it one of the insufficient statements. I wish I could erase that. I guess I'll do this next one in green. Statement 2 tells us that angle PQS, so that's this angle here, PQS is equal to angle RQT, which is this angle, which is interesting. Now, if those two are equal, the thing that they have in common is this middle angle here. Oops, that's not the color I wanted. They have the angle TQS in common, and if you subtract that common value, then in turn it means that these two angles are equal, and we can get the rest of the way, the thinking that we just did to determine that the triangle is isosceles, we can still do by saying that angles D and E are equal, which we just determined. So statement 2 is also sufficient. It's not 1 alone, it is answer choice D.